Daddy, your baby is singing. I'll be singing and dancing and shouting for the rest of eternity. My Jesus, your beloved is singing. I'll be singing and dancing and shouting for the rest of eternity. My daddy.
Hello, welcome to another wonderful tutorial. We'll look at My Daddy, My Daddy by Lawrence Oyor and Sunmisola. The key of the song is C, so which means you can easily take it to other keys depending on the person singing, okay?
You are my daddy, and your baby is singing. I will be singing and dancing and shouting for the rest of eternity. My daddy, your baby is singing. I will be singing and dancing and shouting for the rest of eternity. My daddy, your baby is singing. I'll be singing and dancing and shouting for the rest of eternity. My Jesus, your beloved is singing. I'll be singing and dancing and shouting for the rest of eternity. My daddy, your baby is singing. I'll be singing and dancing and shouting for the rest of eternity. My daddy, your baby is singing. I'll be singing and shouting and dancing for the rest of eternity.
Hi family, if you've enjoyed my videos and they've been helpful to you, you can now support the channel with the super thanks. Just tap at the bottom under the video. Every of the support means a lot to me. Thank you so much for always watching. You are the best.
Till the end, it's only you. Till it, it's only you. Only you. Till the end, it's only you. It's only you, only you and I. It's only you
The key of the song is C, so which means you can easily take it to other keys depending on the person singing, okay? Then we need to understand three scales: the C major scale, then the C natural minor scale, and the A natural minor scale. You are going to understand pretty much why I listed out all these scales as you go on. And second thing you need to understand is chord inversions, because you are going to see a lot of inversions and fills in this song. So the song starts from a kind of long intro, which is to prepare the audience mind towards the song. The intro of the song starts from chord 1. Look at it. Did you see that? So what did I play? The whole thing is that I play chord 1. Like the second one I play, but it's G suspended 4, so then I arpeggiate it. Arpeggiating from the right hand side, so then to 1, to 4, sorry. Then to 1, then melody from the guitar. Then the next phase or the next bar or the next measure is that you have the chord progression: 6, 4, 1, and 5. That's the original chord progression of the song. Then the third time again, the pianist did this melodic feel on the same chord progression. So 1. Then the third time, you have a bouncing note on the right hand, also again melodic feel. So that, feel it. And there's something you need to notice is that from the intro, what I felt was the time signature was 4/4. Then getting to when the singer started, we have to now bring into that 6/8 time signature. So by the time the singer is singing, due to the 6/8 feel, you have to slow it down than the intro you've played earlier. So you're gonna be, you are my darling, 6, and your baby is singing. I'll be singing and dancing and shouting for the rest of eternity. Then look at this now. The second time, my daddy, your baby is singing. That's how you bounce the melody. I'll be singing and shouting and dancing for the rest of eternity. You get it? The audience is singing. You have to do this. Open voicing here, very open and sounds so bright and sweet. Okay, then when the lady starts singing, Sunmisola starts singing, you have to come with this melodic feel. So my left hand is just moving from 6, then 3, 4. You just need to know when to play. Let me break it and look at it. And you are playing in octave on the right hand. Now, so when you get to the 1, the C, you play E on the left hand, which is 3, then 4. Okay, then you are going to back to 1. Okay, put that melody. Then when she's ending, so what is that? That is where the C natural minor comes in. These two notes. So then 6, back again, bouncing. then to 4, you bounce once and go to 1, then 1. You do melody again. When she sees singing again, look at this. Look at it. See that? Melodic again. Same way. You can slow it down to learn that part. That's all. Then to the hand, only you. That part is slow, but look at the melody on the same chord I'm going to play. The same chord progression. Actually, 6, 4, 1, 5. Don't forget. So to the hand, only you. Slow down. Listen to the melody. I'm going to 4, grace. I'm going to 1. That's the first time. The second time, to the end, only you. Look at it. Then I see third, the minor third there. So let me show you what I play. I did this. Look at it. Look at the third. You see that? Then I did this. See that gracie. Then this. Okay. Then the third time is getting heavier. To the end, only. Relax. Then you're going to 4. You already know this. Then you're going to 1. Let me play that again. Then you can even follow them with a melody, but you have to play an octave. If you don't want to play an octave, you can do this. You can do this. Then easy. As you're going to la la la, you have the melody feel again. This. You see that? Another. That's those simple melody line. You make it sound sweet. Then you can do. Sorry about the glitch on my laptop. And that's the thing. Then I did this. So let me play that again. The ending again. The ending of to the end only, to the end only. You relax. In the beat only. Look at it now. I would really like you to play an octave. That's all. Then the whole thing repeats over and over again. Make sure that you at least take 80% of the feel, more of melodic feel and the skill. So that is the whole thing. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, share with someone who might need it, and I would advise check out my next video on this playlist.